What is up guys, my name is Talha and you're watching Gadgets Sphere. In today's video I'm going to talk about the Lenovo ideapad Slim 5i. What are my opinions after using that laptop for around 1 month. So let's start off with the most important aspect of this laptop, which is the best thing which I love, and that is the battery life. So as you guys already know, in the videos I made or even in the comments, I told you guys that the battery life is 6 plus hours, but that is wrong. It is 7 hours and more. I mean, I can use it every day and still it is very good. I am super impressed by how good battery runs in this laptop. It is really good. So I'm very happy considering this laptop has a very big battery as well as the charging speed. The charger of this laptop is very good. It charges very fast and you will absolutely love it. So yes, the battery life and the charging speed is insane. Let's talk about the display. In display we have colors, and the color is a little on the warmer side. A lot of people don't like that. I personally don't have no problem in the warmer side of the colors, but some people don't like it. They want colors to be natural, and I also personally think at times that color should be natural so that even in video editing you can get the exact idea of how the video is going to look on a big LCD or OLED TV. But that is not the case here. It is a little warmer, and I am yet to find any way to set the colors to the original temperature. So yes, one of my subscriber even complained me that, hey bro, the color is a little warm, I don't like it, and he returned the laptop only for that reason. So I wanted to tell you personally so that you can get a better idea of how good the color and the display is. But it is absolutely great. Like honestly, the brightness is also very good. So if you will use it outdoors also, there will be no problem. You will love it. And the one more thing which I love about it is the processor. If you're thinking of buying this laptop has i5 11 gen processor with two graphic cards, the variant I'm having, and bro, you will love it. This is the fastest laptop you can get because the i5 11 gen is very powerful. Any task you do combined with this 256 GB NVMe SSD, very fast. You will love it. I absolutely love it. Playing games is a breeze. Now one thing I want to talk about, let's talk about that, and that is heating. Alright, heating does happen. How to prevent it? There is just two ways. One way is to find a good stand that works for your laptop, and the second way is to find a good fan. So I personally bought a stand which works absolutely great. This is the video, you guys can see if you want to. And this stand which I bought is very good quality, and it is very good because it dissipates all the heat which comes and it gives a very good output. You will absolutely love the fan quality of this laptop. It's really good. I mean, the fans also work very fast while playing games and it gets heated up. So if you put it on a stand, it will dissipate the heat and it will look good. That's pretty much it for today's video. If you like it, subscribing will be really good. And if you want more reviews about it, comment down below. That's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.